Are you ready to unlock the secret to making money right from your smartphone? Welcome to a world where financial freedom is just a tap away. In today's digital age, opportunities are abundant, and we're about to reveal a game changer. Imagine earning $1,000 a day just by installing apps. It may sound too good to be true, but with high access, it's not only possible but also surprisingly simple. Gone are the days of traditional 9 to 5 jobs and endless struggles. High access is here to revolutionize the way you think about income. No more long commutes, office politics, or waiting for your next paycheck. It's time to take control of your financial destiny, and it starts right here, right now. In this video, we'll walk you through the step by step process of how you can start making money with high access today. Whether you're a tech savvy enthusiast or just looking to boost your income, our guide will show you the ropes, demystifying the process and empowering you to take charge of your financial future. But remember, while the potential is immense, success requires dedication and a clear strategy. We'll equip you with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions and maximize your earnings. Together, we'll navigate this exciting journey towards financial independence. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on this thrilling adventure. Install apps, earn $1,000 a day. It's that simple with high access is your ticket to a brighter, more prosperous future. Let's dive in. Make $1,000 a day with app installations. Welcome to an incredible opportunity that could change your financial game entirely. In this step by step guide, we're about to unveil a lucrative method where you can effortlessly pocket up to $30 for each app you install on your smartphone. Yes, you heard that right. With just a few simple steps, you could find yourself earning $1,000 a day by leveraging not one, but five different websites. And here's the icing on the cake. We'll reveal a bonus website at the end that can supercharge your earnings even further. Picture this, a world where making money is as easy as tapping your screen. It may sound too good to be true, but we assure you, it's very much within reach. So, why should you keep watching? Because we're about to provide you with a roadmap to financial success, one app installation at a time. Whether you're a tech whiz or someone who just enjoys using their smartphone, this method is designed for everyone. And this comprehensive tutorial will guide you through each step of the process. From selecting the right apps to installing them and maximizing your earnings, we've got you covered. We'll also share valuable tips and tricks to ensure you make the most out of this incredible opportunity. But remember, while the potential for earning is enormous, success depends on your commitment and dedication. We're here to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to thrive in this exciting venture. Are you ready to unlock your earnings potential and discover just how simple it is to make a substantial income with app installations? Stay with us as we dive into the details step by step. Let's get started on this journey to financial freedom. Minimal requirements, maximum potential. Get started today. Getting started with this incredible money making method couldn't be easier. In this step, we'll outline the minimal requirements, ensuring that virtually anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection can dive into this opportunity. The best part, it's accessible from anywhere in the world, making it a global game changer that works in most countries. Number 1. Smartphone with an internet connection. The cornerstone of this method is your smartphone. Whether you have the latest high end model or a more budget friendly device, as long as it connects to the internet, you're good to go. This means that you don't need to invest in any additional equipment or gadgets to get started. Number 2. Internet access. Having a stable internet connection is key to smoothly navigate through the app installation process. Whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or on the go, as long as you can connect to the web, you can participate in this opportunity. Number 3. Worldwide accessibility. One of the most exciting aspects of this method is its global reach. It doesn't matter where you live, it can take advantage of this opportunity from virtually anywhere in the world. From North America to Asia, Europe to Africa, and beyond, this method is open to people of all backgrounds and locations. Number 4. No special skills required. Unlike some other income generating methods that may demand technical skills or specific qualifications, this method is incredibly user friendly. It's designed for individuals of all backgrounds, regardless of their previous experience with online earning opportunities. All you need to embark on this journey to financial success is a smartphone with an internet connection. This method's accessibility knows no bounds, making it an inclusive opportunity for people from diverse backgrounds and locations. Now that you know what you need, it's time to move on to the next steps and start earning money by installing apps on your device. Unlocking earnings with YSense. In this section, we'll introduce you to our second website, ysense.com. YSense offers a variety of online earning opportunities But for now, let's dive into the world of app installations as a way to boost your income. Number 1. Registration. Begin by visiting the YSense website and signing up for a free account. The registration process typically requires some basic information to create your account. Once you've successfully registered, you'll be ready to start exploring the earning potential. Number 2. Installing apps. Inside your YSense account, you'll find an array of options for making money online. For our purposes, we'll focus on the app installation method. Navigate to the section that allows you to download and install apps on your smartphone. Number 3. Start earning real money. Select the apps you'd like to install from the available list. Just like with our previous platform, App Karma, you'll be rewarded for each successful installation. The more apps you install, the more real money you'll earn. Number 4. Multiple payment options. YSense understands the importance of convenience when it comes to cashing out your earnings. That's why they offer multiple payment options, including PayPal. This means you can easily convert your app installation efforts into real cash that you can use or save. YSense is an excellent addition to your app installation earnings journey. With its diverse range of online earning opportunities and user-friendly interface, it's a platform that can help you reach your financial goals. Elevate your earnings with Get Paid Too. Welcome to the next stage of our journey to financial success through app installations. In this step, we'll introduce to you our third platform, GetPaid2.com. GetPaid2 takes your earning potential to the next level by paying you not only for installing games, but also for completing surveys, tasks, and offers. Number 1. Sign up for free. Getting started with GetPaid2 is a breeze. Simply visit their website and sign up for a free account. Provide the necessary information during the registration process and you'll be all set to start earning. Number 2. Game installations. One of the standout features of GetPaid2 is its focus on rewarding you for installing games on your smartphone. Navigate to the game installation section where you'll find a variety of games to choose from. Each installation adds points to your account, bringing you closer to your earnings goal. Number 3. Surveys, tasks, and offers. But the earning opportunities on GetPaid2 don't stop at game installations. You can also participate in surveys, complete tasks, and take advantage of special offers to boost your earnings even further. This diversity in earning methods ensures that there's always something for everyone. Number 4. Flexible payment options. GetPaid2 understands that flexibility is crucial when it comes to cashing out your hard-earned points. They offer a range of payment options, including bank transfers, Skrill, cryptocurrencies, gift cards, and PayPal. This means you can choose the method that best suits your preferences. GetPaid2 is your key to unlocking a multitude of earning possibilities. With games, surveys, tasks, and offers at your fingertips, your potential for making money online is substantial. Prize Rebel. Big rewards, big fun. In this step, we're introducing you to our fourth platform, PrizeRebel.com. Prize Rebel offers a fantastic opportunity to earn money through various online tasks, including installing free apps. Let's dive into the details of how you can boost your income with Prize Rebel. Number 1. Free sign up. Getting started with Prize Rebel is a snap. Visit their website and sign up for a free account. During registration, provide the necessary information to create your account and you'll be ready to embark on your journey towards earning money. Number 2. App installations and more. Prize Rebel's earning potential goes beyond just app installations. However, for the purpose of this guide, we'll focus on this lucrative method. Inside your Prize Rebel account, you'll find a selection of free apps available for installation. Each app you install adds to your earnings, making it a simple and efficient way to accumulate points. Number 3. Instant payouts. One of the standout features of Prize Rebel is its instant payout system. As soon as you earn, you can cash out your earnings. No waiting for thresholds to be met or lengthy processing times. This means you can enjoy the rewards of your efforts almost immediately. Number 4. Flexible redemption options. Prize Rebel offers a variety of redemption options to suit your preferences. Whether you prefer PayPal for cash or various gift cards, you have the freedom to choose how you want to redeem your earnings. With Prize Rebel, you're not limited to just app installations. You can also explore other online tasks and surveys to further boost your earnings. The versatility of earning methods on this platform ensures that there's something for everyone. The highlight, Feature Points. We're excited to introduce you to FeaturePoints.com, the fifth platform on our list. Feature Points provides yet another fantastic opportunity to earn rewards by installing apps and more. Here's how you can take your earnings to the next level with Feature Points. Number 1. App installation options. You have flexibility when it comes to how you want to access Feature Points. You can find the Feature Points app on both the App Store and Google Play Store, making it easily accessible for smartphone users. Alternatively, you can sign up through their website if you prefer using a desktop or laptop. Number 2. Free app installations. Once you're set up with Feature Points, you can start installing apps for free. Every app you install earns you points that accumulate in your Feature Points account. The more apps you install, the more points you'll earn, bringing you closer to your earnings goals. Number 3. Reward redemption. Feature Points makes it rewarding to accumulate points. You have various options for redeeming your points, including PayPal money, gift cards, or other enticing rewards. This means you can choose how you want to enjoy the benefits of your hard work. Number 4. Bonus. Access to paid apps for free. One of Feature Point's standout features is its ability to provide access to paid apps for free. This is a fantastic perk for app enthusiasts who want to explore premium apps without paying a dime. It's like having a treasure trove of apps at your disposal. With Feature Points, you have the opportunity to not only earn through app installations but also access a diverse range of rewards. The ability to access paid apps for free adds an extra layer of appeal to this platform. Bonus platform. Amplify your earnings with the plug. As a bonus addition to your arsenal of income generating platforms, we present The Plug or theplugco.in. This unique and innovative platform offers a distinctive way to make money by promoting referral links for various apps. Here's how you can harness the power of the plug to amplify your earnings. Number 1. Promoting referral links. The plug's earning mechanism revolves around promoting referral links for different apps. You'll be provided with these unique links, and your task is to share them with others. When someone installs an app using your referral link, you earn money. It's a win-win situation as app developers gain new users and you reap the rewards. Number 2. Promote to earn. The more actively and effectively you promote your referral links, the greater your earning potential becomes. Sharing them across social media, forums, or with friends and family can lead to significant earnings over time. Your income directly correlates with your promotional efforts. Number 3. Monitoring earnings. The plug keeps you in the loop with transparent earnings tracking. You can easily monitor your earnings as they accumulate in your account. This way, you'll have a clear picture of your progress and how close you are to reaching your cash out threshold. Number 4. Flexible cash out options. Once your earnings have reached a substantial amount, you can cash out your rewards through the plug's available methods. This typically includes options such as PayPal, ensuring you can enjoy your hard-earned money conveniently. The plug offers a unique twist to the world of app installation earnings, allowing you to benefit from the growth of various apps and services. It's a platform where some users have found substantial income, making it an exciting addition to your repertoire of online earning opportunities. While exploring the plug, don't forget to continue your journey with the other platforms we've introduced. Combining these methods can maximize your income potential, bringing you closer to your financial goals. And there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of high access. We've shown you how you can turn your smartphone into a powerful tool for financial success. Earning $1,000 a day might have seemed like a dream, but with high access, it's a reality for many. As you embark on your journey with high access, always remember that success is within your reach. It's not just about installing apps, it's about taking control of your financial destiny. With dedication, strategy, and the right guidance, you can turn this opportunity into a sustainable income stream. But of course, it's essential to stay informed and make informed decisions. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay updated on the latest trends and opportunities in the world of online earnings. We hope this video has empowered you with the knowledge and tools you need to thrive with high access. So, go ahead, dive in, and start building your path to financial freedom. Your journey begins now, and we wish you nothing but success and prosperity along the way. Thank you for joining us in this exciting adventure with high access. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might also want to explore this incredible opportunity. Together, we can all unlock our earnings potential and embrace a brighter financial future. Until next time, keep striving for success, and may your financial dreams become a reality with high access.